Hey guys, and welcome to my brand new YouTube channel. I am UK the creator. This is a brand new channel which is basically for those that do CorelDRAW and are beginners. We're going to be doing simple tutorials. The first stage of this channel is going to be logo creation. We'll be doing very simple logos. Today we're going to start off with the YouTube logo. We're on their interface, so it's fair we start off with them, right? Without wasting any further time, let's get into it. So kicking off, this is our logo, the YouTube logo. We just have that small red dot there and the text, the YouTube text. So this shouldn't take us too much time to do. It's a very simple logo. We are going to reduce this and also change our page orientation like that. Change the page view to page and bring up the logo picture right there so we can see our logo when we are designing. Now we click on the rectangle tool. We can simply press F6 and we draw a square that is close to that of the logo. I think that's okay. And as you can see right here, the logo has curved edges. There are curved edges on the logo. The four corners of the logo have curved edges, and we're going to do the same to this box by clicking on the shape tool. We'll click on that and touch any of the edges there, and we'll just adjust it a little bit, not too much. We'll do that, and yeah, we have achieved the curved sides for the logo. You just need to curve it up a little bit, and also we have curved sides as well, not just curved corners alone, but we have curved sides, and it's a little bit curved, and ours is looking a little bit straight. And what we'll do here is convert this shape to curve so that we will be able to edit the sides. What we did was only going to shape the corners, but it wasn't going to do anything for the sides, so we had to do so for our new shape. So what we're going to do now is select the first two corners of the logo so we can edit the sides. So we're selecting these two right there, and we'll convert it to curve right at the top there. Once you click that, we do the same for all the sides. We convert that to curve as well, and you repeat the same process for all sides. Okay, since that has been done, we will now add the curve to the side. So look closely, we just take it up a little bit, not too much, just a little bit. We're increasing that. I think that's okay. Then the next side we will do the same, not so much, just a little bit. The logo is not rounded, we are just tweaking it to have the rounded sides and the rounded edges that the YouTube logo has, and that's okay. We do the same for the bottom as well, across all the sides, and we go towards the middle and we increase that just like that. So that's that for getting the curved sides, and now we progress to the next part of the logo, which is getting this small play button right there at the middle. And for that we go to the polygon tool, we click on that and we draw a polygon. So right now, as you draw this, all sides aren't equal. You press Ctrl right there and makes all the sides equal. You press Ctrl and drag. Then we reduce the number of sides. That's it's a pentagon now. We make it a triangle, just like that, so we can fit into the play icon. So what we're going to do right now is rotate it to the direction of this of the play button right there, the same way it is on the logo. Normally we could just click that and we rotate it, but for easy doing, it's just a simple straight line. We type 270 degrees rather, and we click that, and there we have it. We have the play icon right there, identical to the one of the YouTube logo. So what we're going to do right now is drag it and place it the same direction. It's a little bit bigger, and we press shift and use your mouse to adjust that a bit so we can get the same size. Press shift and click on the square and C to centralize the play button, and right there we have achieved that. What we'll do now is change that color to white because it has no fill right now, and take off the outline. Then the rounded shape there, not rounded, square rounded, we'll make it red and take off the outline. And as you can see, we have produced the YouTube logo right there, that play logo. As you can see right there, it's looking okay, it's very nice. And lastly, we need to add the text. Now if you do not have the YouTube font, you can simply check online and download it. You can search the type of font that was used and maybe check your system if you already have it installed. But right now you drag the text, the YouTube text, after typing it the same way it is written, and the text for the YouTube that I have with me is Kenyan coffee. Right there, we'll click it. So many fonts, not so many, I think about 3 of them that fits this, but this is the closest I have, and this is what I'll use for this video. So we adjust the size to be at the same ratio with the one in the actual logo, the one we are recreating, and we'll leave that there. Just a little bit more tweak. Let's have the same feel, and just a little bit more, and that's fine. So right now we have produced the YouTube logo, and for me it looks very nice. It looks really nice. From what I see, the text, rather the font is actually the same, but that shouldn't matter so much. If you have a more closer font, you can use that, but this is the YouTube logo, and it's very nice. And what you can notice here is the YouTube color, the black. It's not exactly black, I think I use a little bit of the gray, and I'm going to select black there, and it looks much better. Looks much more like the black. You select that and Ctrl G, you group that, and we do the double rectangle so that we can have a page fill in case you want to export it, so we can have that shape there. So now we have that fitted to the page, and we increase our logo so we can have it looking better, though I press P to keep it at the middle of the page. Then we increase our logo so it can have a nice look right there. Yeah, that's very nice. So we click our view and put it to page, or you can press F4 to put it to feet. Let me zoom out, and yeah, it's much bigger and much nicer. If you want to export this, you can simply press Ctrl E, then you select the part and you export it. But I won't be exporting this one, and this is your YouTube logo. It's very simple, it's very nice, and do stop by to check out more of my videos. We'll be doing more of these simple logos, so please stay tuned and watch out for more contents coming by. Stay tuned, subscribe, leave a like, and share with your friends, your families, and your colleague, acquaintances, anyone interested. in doing simple logos, simple CorelDRAW tricks. We'll be going far in this channel, but this is where we'll start off from now. I'll be uploading very frequently, so please stay tuned and I'll see you soon. Thanks. Bye.